Welcome back to another video on my channel, The Science King, and today we are talking about variation. So organisms of the same species have differences. Different species look different, but even organisms of the same species will usually look at least slightly different. For example, all dogs are the same species, but a Dalmatian looks quite different to a pug. These differences are called the variation within a species. It can be genetic or environmental. Genetic variation within a species is caused by organisms having different alleles, which can lead to differences in phenotype. Genetic variation can be caused by new alleles arising through mutation. Sexual reproduction can also cause genetic variation, since it results in alleles being combined in lots of different ways in offspring. There tends to be a lot of genetic variation within a population of species. This is mostly due to neutral mutations. Variation can be environmental too. For example, a plant grown on a nice sunny windowsill could grow luscious and green. The same plant grown in darkness would grow tall and spindly, and its leaves would turn yellow. These environmental variation in phenotype are also known as acquired characteristics. They're characteristics that organisms acquire during their lifetimes. For most variation in phenotypes is determined by a mixture of genetic and environmental factors. For example, the maximum height that an animal or plant could grow to is determined by its genes. But whether it actually grows, that all depends on its environment. For example, how much food it gets. Alleles arise due to genetic mutations. Mutations are changes to the base sequences of DNA. When they occur within a gene, they result in an allele for a different version of the gene. They don't always have an effect on the phenotype of an organism. In fact, most mutations don't have any effect. In other words, they are neutral. New combinations of alleles may also interact with each other to produce new phenotypes. That is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next